Recently, Supreme Court has said that coachings are death chambers. Now, this was a suo motu cognizance. What is suo motu cognizance? Suo motu cognizance means you take up a matter on your own initiative without filing a petition or interest that can be placed before them. Now, when such a case is taken up, this idea of coaching centers and the coaching centers of Delhi was taken up as a case by Supreme Court, and the findings actually revealed that the coaching should go online until and unless these guidelines which are being laid down, the compliance which are laid down for the buildings are meticulously followed and safety norms are well taken into consideration. Unless and until that takes place, these coaching centers are now playing with the life of aspirants, and it's really important to understand that people are coming from all over the country working hard to achieve their dreams, and if they are not given proper conditions, this could not be taken into account. Also, Supreme Court has said that imposing a fine or a cost on the association is nothing, and it's more important to actually completely ban the operations until the compliance of the fire safety and other rules and regulations are followed in strict obedience. So those are the things taken into account. Now, when all these things are in so turmoil, it's really important to give this a thought whether you actually need coaching for your study or not. So it's a high time to understand that coachings are okay, but more importantly, it's important to understand that once you start your preparation, you can go on self preparation and prepare the complete content. It's really important to understand that with such a huge diversity of content that you have to study and memorize, it's a good idea to follow the content rigorously and prepare it on your own. So these are theoretical topics with which you require very little of conceptual understanding, and that only those sections where you need help you can go for. The remaining section you can cover at your own pace. So it's a good idea to have a plan, a layout, and that has to be followed dedicatedly across the day. So wish you very good luck. Thanks for joining in.